part 1. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I want to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel and be successful as a small YouTuber. I'm a small YouTuber, so this is a perfect time to do this. The past year, I have noticed that a whole lot of people have cut the cord with the cable companies and they're going directly to streaming platforms. I am guilty of watching YouTube hours and hours and hours a day. I have had my channel for a couple of years now. Up to recently, I used to only post a couple of videos every month about career stuff, things that I thought would be helpful to others, and I used to love the comments that people will post me, the emails that people will send me with questions, and I kind of got hooked into it. So when I noticed that a lot of people were moving towards that streaming kind of platform, I decided to take this channel a little more seriously, and I decided to do a whole lot of research on tips and tricks and strategies on how to get this channel growing. Now, as you guys know, I only have like 460 something subscribers, so I'm not monetized yet, and that's fine with me because I do enjoy the process, but I wanted to bring a nice and informative video where I can compilate everything that I've been researching on and bring it to you guys, and potentially have you guys witness with me the growth of this channel. I will post on the description box some of the YouTube videos that I've watched or the channels for those YouTubers, so you guys can take a look on their devices as well. They're really large right now. That kind of shows that their strategies work, but I want us to see it in real time. So I decided to post this video now, super early in my YouTube career, so we can see it in actual work. I kind of like debated, should I wait until I actually get monetized and get like a following? But then I was like, no, you know what? I'm gonna post it now that I'm really small, and then I can post a update a couple of months from now and we can see the results together. I've been posting more consistently once a week, but my highest viewing video is my ASMR video that has like about 120 something views, and all of the other ones don't even break 50. So I'm a pretty small YouTuber right now. Now I want to go towards talking about all of the things that people ask these larger YouTubers and what they answer you guys. I thought it was good for me to do this because then you guys gonna have one place to go. And by the end of the video, I'll also give you guys my personal tips on what I've been doing with my channel and letting you guys know if the tips that I've been using from these YouTubers are working for me. All right, let's go for it. What equipment you should use on your videos. So most of the YouTubers that I've been watching have been saying that the equipment doesn't really matter at this point, because if you are a small YouTuber, you shouldn't be investing that much money on a lot of equipment. A lot of them just use their own phones. I am using my phone. I've seen only a couple of YouTubers that use like a $300 camera, but not all of them use a whole lot of equipment. Software. So a lot of people have a lot of questions about editing and music and things like that. I myself have been asking a lot of the larger YouTubers what they use for their edit. You kind of gotta be careful because some of them are sponsored. So a couple of videos that I've watched talk about sponsored editing softwares that you don't need right now. I use a free software, and the majority of the bigger YouTubers still use iMovies. So if you have iMovies, you should be just fine. As a small YouTuber, do not spend a lot of money on editing software because you don't need it. A good phone camera and a free editing software should be all you need at this point. Planning ahead. So most of YouTubers say that you should plan ahead your videos. When I started, I was not planning ahead at all. I would be like, you know what, I'm gonna post something today, what should I talk about, and just come and just say whatever, and you guys can see the result of it on my video about wearing a wig, but it was a mess. So I just kind of went all over the place with that video. I talk, and I said nothing. I just left it there because that's part of the learning process, and have a beginning, a middle, and an ending. Ideas. This kind of goes with planning. So whenever you have an idea for a video, just write it down. If you're posting at least once a week, you're going to have 52 videos in 1 year. And that's a whole lot of ideas you have to have and plan for and script for it. And as a small YouTuber, you probably have a full-time job and you don't have time to be like scrambling for time to be getting ideas and doing all of this planning. Just do it as you go. Content. If you're talking too much in the beginning of the video like I do, sometimes people don't want to keep watching. If your video is not going to be super brief, just make it very entertaining. Put some GIFs in there, put some pop-ups, and make sure that the video is entertaining, because the people they're coming to see your content, they want to take something away from it. I mean, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to work on that. And if you guys can see, I'm trying, you know, it is what it is. Have relevant content, have your content very organized, make sure that your content, you know, has a point. Right now, in the beginning, when you are a small YouTuber, content is going to be your biggest weapon. You need to put content out there, and your content should be engaging, fun, and it should be content that people want to see, and should be content that people are looking for. That's what's gonna grow you in the beginning, because people don't know you. People don't care who you are. They are looking for information. They are looking for something to learn or something to entertain them. Make sure that you have plenty of quality content. Niche. That's the one thing that I have a little bit of a mixed feelings about. Niche is something that all of them talk about it. You have broader audience. As I say, like, less is more. So if you have one niche, that one niche is always gonna be following you. But as a beginning YouTuber, it's hard for you to just put all your eggs in one basket. It's not useful in the beginning. So what the other YouTubers talk about when you're talking about niche is just keep it in one topic. Have your YouTube channel be about something that you enjoy. If you wanna follow to the T what the bigger YouTubers are talking about, just niche it down in the beginning. And what's gonna happen to you is YouTube algorithm is already going to narrow down all of the people within that niche that you are in, and they are going to start pushing you into that niche. Go for it. Engagement. Engaging with your viewers is one of the biggest things as well. What the YouTubers generally say is that when you post a video, the most important time of your video is the first 24 hours, because you're telling your YouTubers, hey, I'm gonna post it tomorrow. So they're expecting that video to come in. They're going to go and watch your video, and then the next day they're not watching anymore. So the biggest chunk of your views are gonna come on the very first 24 to 48 hours, maybe 72 hours after you posted. After that, your engagement with the people, so that they comment on your videos, making sure that they like your videos. YouTube sees that there is movement on that video. So instead of dying out after 72 hours, it's gonna keep it a little out there, you know. So it's helpful for you to engage with the viewers and show to YouTube algorithm that video is still kind of performing. It's not just like peaking out on the first 3 days and going downhill after that. Title. The title is very important. You are given 95 characters for your title, and you should always try to put keywords on your title. A lot of YouTubers are talking about, it's kind of like a add-on. It's called TubeBuddy. So you add on to your browser, you go to YouTube, and then you put some titles in there, and that TubeBuddy is going to tell you if that title that you put in have a lot of competition, if it's being searched a lot. And it's very helpful for you to know that the title that you're putting on your video is going to be searched on, and it's going to show up to the people that are searching on that subject. So it's a very good idea to use TubeBuddy, and do not ever not use the 95 characters. Try to use every single character you can. Search. So I watched one YouTuber that said that one very good tactic as a small YouTuber is to kind of like trend chase. So if you're seeing videos that are trendy, kind of like what I'm doing right now, how to grow your YouTube channel is a very trendy subject right now. So I'm making how to grow a YouTube channel video as well. However, I'm not stealing anybody's content. I'm making my own content. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion, and also I'm gonna make a part 2 where we're gonna see if those tricks and strategies work. Chase trends, ride the trend wave, and use your own spin to it as well. Thumbnail. So once you put your catchy title, you have your nice video well edited, now you have to have a thumbnail. The thumbnail is the second thing that people are gonna see. So people are gonna search, and then your video is gonna come up, and if you have a not very good thumbnail, people are not gonna click on your video. So all of the work that you did before is gonna be for nothing. Make sure to make some good thumbnails. I use Canva and Fonto to make my thumbnails. You can make your thumbnail thumbnails, you can add pictures in there, you can add lettering. Canva and Fonto are very, very good for me. They're easy to use, they're very beginner friendly, and they're free. So they're been working wonders for me. Don't compare yourself to larger YouTubers. I did that in the beginning a lot. So if you are trying to like make your YouTube videos and you see that you're not getting that many views and you're like, wow, but look at Jenna Marbles, she has 20 million subscribers. Look at, you know, Sierra Schultze and look at whatever other YouTuber. Yes, they do. People like Jenna Marbles have been in the game for like 10 years. You can't compare yourself to other YouTubers because they've been in for so many more years than you. So I realized that and I stopped comparing myself and I'm doing my own thing and hopefully I will get there one day. But stop comparing yourself because that's just gonna get you really, really depressed. The most important thing about not comparing yourself to other YouTubers is to remember the reason why they are big right now, it's because they have binge-worthy content. They all have numerous amounts of videos that you can just put on your TV and just have them rolling all day. And that's giving them views and that's keeping them big. So just concentrating, put content out there and you will be fine. Consistency. One huge thing that they say is consistency. Once you start getting your subscribers, they are going to expect you to post those days that you are saying. So try to be consistent, post every week. Some YouTubers post once a day, twice a week. I mean, you can't do that. But if you do that, you gotta watch out for the quality of your content. If you're posting every day, imagine how many ideas you have to have for a 10-minute video every day and how many hours of editing you have to have for that one video every day. Quality over quantity, but always look into consistency. Post once a week as a minimum. They will know when you post it and they will come to watch it. Giveaways. As a small YouTuber, I have giveaways to give, but I'm not ready to start doing that right now because I don't feel like I have enough views for that. But as soon as I start getting like maybe 1K views consistently, I'm gonna start doing giveaways, and they're very good to keep people coming back. But it can bite you too, because you do a giveaway, a lot of people subscribe to you to get that gift, and then eventually they won't subscribe. Giveaways are great to boost you a little bit, but you gotta be careful when you do it because you don't want to get that boost and then they all go away too. They all go away after. Patience. Every single video I watched, be patient. We just started. Other YouTubers have been out there for more than 5 years, more than 3 years. So just be patient. It's not gonna happen in a month or 2 months. It might happen after 2 or 3 years, but you will get there. I mostly agree with all of these points, and I've been doing most of these things. Just as a quick recap, the equipment, as I said, I've been using my phone and I have 2 ring lights and that's all I do. I have a microphone, but that's about it. And I don't have any fancy equipment as of now. Software, iMovie is mostly what I use for my editing, Fonto, Canva for my thumbnails, and that's all I use, and they are all free. Planning ahead, I've been having so many ideas lately, so I have not been able to super plan ahead, but I just do some quick research a couple of hours before I film the video, and I do a couple of like bullet points so I don't have like a fiasco repeating itself. Excuse me. So I don't have another fiasco like my wig video. Ideas, every time I have an idea, I write down on my phone and I keep those ideas coming, kind of like ready to go. Content, I am working on organizing my content better. I am learning how to be more organized with my content, but I feel like I'm getting better. Let me know if you feel like I'm getting better. Content is very important and I'm trying to put as much content as I can out there, and quality content. That's why I'm not posting more than once a week, because I want to make sure that everything's good. Niche, as I said on the first time around, and let's be redundant, I don't have a niche. If I see that one video is performing better than the other, I will dive into that niche. But for now, I don't have a niche. Engagement, I will respond to every comment that you guys post on my comments. I will love everybody to like my videos. I will love everybody to subscribe my videos. I love the one-to-one, everybody who messages me and DMs me and follows me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and I love the engagement. So engage with me, love it. Title, I use TubeBuddy before I post my videos so I can get that title very competitive, and it's been working for me. Search, I have since I've been using TubeBuddy, my views per search have been improving. Giveaways, as I said it before, I want to do giveaways, but right now it's not the time, but I will be doing giveaways soon. Patience, I've been working on that. Now I want to give you guys my tips. Have fun. Like, do subjects that you have fun and enjoy filming. Don't do this because you feel like you want to make money, and if you do something that you love, you're not working one day out of your life, right? Know your limitations. That's a big one. I, for now, cannot film in several locations like a lot of people do. I see a whole lot of YouTubers that film in several locations. I'm like, how do they do this? I can't. So for now, I am limiting myself to what I can do, and this is my comfort zone for now. But once I feel more comfortable and I learn how to do other things outside, I will take it there. But I'm taking baby steps. So don't force yourself into making these videos where you're filming in different locations. Now you have a ton of footage to edit. So work small and grow from there. That's the advice I will give it to you. Just know your limitation, start expanding from there. Don't worry about making a perfect video. Don't edit things out. If you cough in the middle of the video, leave it there. It's funny. We are all human. We all go to the bathroom and poopy and stuff. It's funny. So keep it funny, keep it fun, keep it cool, keep it interesting. People are gonna love it. That's going to bring a uniqueness to you. Having that uniqueness is going to set you apart. All of the things that I talked about right now, they've been working for me. The most important is consistency and engagement. If you want to take anything away from this video, be consistent with your videos, engage with the audience, make sure that they subscribe. So if you are watching and you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post my videos. I post my videos every Sunday or Monday, depending on my editing needs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on part 2, and we're gonna see how much my channel has grown from today. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys later.